Sa mga lodi, panoorin natin itong dalawang magkapatid na grabe, ang gaganda ng mga boses, mga idol. Maganda na, ang gaganda pa ng mga boses. So let's go, panoorin natin dito kay Jenaline Maghari Giacomo sa kanyang Facebook page. So let's go.
I just can't explain when you're near. I'm not just the same. I try to hide it, trying to show it. It's crazy. How could it be?
Nakaka-inlove naman.
I'm falling for you.
I'm falling for you now.
Finally, my heart giving, and I'm falling in love. I finally know how it feels. Spinning in the eyes, I hear myself breathing. Hang by your breath, my heart aches, slowly beating. You haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me, would it be too much to ask if you break it to me gently? And I'm looking the next day, below you beside me, and you hold it to the day. Tomorrow will just be a memory that I can look back at all the times and wonder why you stayed here just to watch you disappear. So I'll breathe and let you go. How do I breathe and let you go? Before it's too late, I take a step away, and no one word will make me go rushing back to you. So I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you're mine. How do you go from liking on your home and then just letting it all go? The mentally fading before it's sexy.
Wow! So yun po mga boss, napanood natin itong dalawang magkapatid na ito. Ang grabe, ang gaganda ng mga boses. Talagang i-inlove kayo. So kayo mga boss, ano masasabi nyo sa kanilang rendition, sa kanilang performance? Para sa akin mga boss ay talagang napaka-amazing. No, sana sasali ito sa mga singing contest, no? Itong dalawang magkapatid na ito. Mukhang masasabi natin talagang maraming mai-inlove dito ng mga guy. Talagang ang sarap sa tingin mga boses sa kanilang mga boses, no? Sa grabe. Ibang klase itong mga batang ito. So please comment down below mga idol, at sana huwag niyo kalimutan na pa-like and subscribe sa kanilang Facebook page, at paki-follow po ang kanilang Facebook page, Jenaline Maghari Giacomo mga idol. Ilagay ko na po sa description ng kanilang link mga idol. Maraming salamat, ingat po kayo lagi, at God bless po.